Okay, we are waiting for Governor Wanga.
The thing is lines.
Okay.
What do you do?
Mm.
It's not an issue of just comparing us with our party leader. Yeah. Actually, it will do a follow-up of yesterday meeting in Kisi. Yeah.
Where is Gladys?
She's you just mentioned you are full house.
That?
You are full house, except for Governor Transoya, who is out of the country. He sent apologies.
Yeah. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the press. With me here are my colleague governors, Governor Gladys Wanga of Homa Bay, Governor Ochila Yako Migori, and Governor Simba Arati from Kisii. We met here today just to have a discussion as Azimio governors coming from this region. The governor of Trans Nzoia could not make it because of some other commitment. Our friend Governor Nyaribo from Nyamira was indisposed. Otherwise, we were full house, consulting and sharing notes with our party leader and the Azimio leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, the current situation in the country and in the region, and some of the issues that we need to raise that concern us in terms of development, in terms of politics, in terms of international affairs. It was a free discussion, and we have had a very, very fruitful discussion. As the host governor of Kisumu County, I'd like to invite my colleagues, Governor Wanga, Governor Chilo, and Governor Arati, to say one or two things, because I think they would enrich reflections on some of the discussions we've had. One or two words.
I think if you've said it, it's okay.
Okay. Then if you, my colleagues say that they really have not much to add, but you can ask questions so that we are all in a position to respond.
I think you're clear.
It's very clear.
Okay. Asanteni sana. One question. Bwana Odia. Sema.
To be political a bit. The ODM leader, ODM party leader, raised concerns about how the president is quoting many of you. I just wanted to know maybe if this is the case, and also how do you handle this as a new party remains strong?
We are competent to handle any approaches from any quarter that is trying to sell their own politics to us, but we know for certain that we are in Azimio, and we have the vision bearer, who has always been the father of change and progress in the nation, and there's no other party, no other coalition that can do it better than Azimio. So no wind can blow us apart, no earthquake can shake our foundation, and therefore rest assured that though that be the case, it does not disturb us at all. And secondly, we did definitely talk about a lot of economic issues, transportation on the lake, how we can link our ports and beaches, like used to happen the East African Community Days, what investments are needed, investment in agriculture, particular research, and the access to capital. And I think those are pertinent issues that will perhaps come out in a communique eventually as a report of this meeting.
Thank you.
Asanteni sana.
Asante. Karibuni.
Smart guy.